Hello saxophone players. In the next two videos, we will learn how to get your instrument ready to put together and how to put your instrument together carefully and correctly. In this video, we will be talking about how to put grease on the cork on the end of your neck joint. In the next video, you will learn how to correctly and carefully put your saxophone together. Your saxophone has three body parts: the mouthpiece, the neck joint, and the main body. We will be constructing your saxophone starting from the bottom and work to the top. But before we put our saxophone together, we need to notice the cork on the neck joint. Place your instrument case on the floor with the lid on top. When you look at the saxophone neck joint, notice the cork wrapped around the end of this section. Your saxophone neck joint cork will need to have some cork grease applied to it from time to time, or it will dry out, and you'll have a difficult time putting the mouthpiece on it. Grab your cork grease, take the lid off the tube. Turn the bottom of the tube to make some cork grease come out of the top. Now carefully grab the neck joint of your saxophone. Place a small amount of cork grease on the cork and rub it in with your fingers. Be careful not to put too much cork grease on the cork. In addition, you do not have to grease the cork too often. If you put too much grease on the cork or grease it too often, it will cause the cork to absorb too much grease. It will then get mushy and eventually fall off the neck joint. For now, put a small amount of cork grease on the cork on your neck joint. Remember, you should only have to put a very small amount of cork grease on the cork of your neck joint once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks. When you are finished with greasing the cork on your neck joint, go on to the next video lesson.